The 2024 Sherco 125 Shea Factory. Sherco Present the Enduro 2-stroke lineup for 2024 model year. With new update, new 2024 graphics kit, new LED headlight, new front fender, new clutch cover, engine 124cc, 2-stroke single cylinder with electronically controlled valve system, Keihin PWK 36 carburetor, new swingarm, new frame paint, new wheels, new rear sprocket, blue diamond SELLE DALLA, VALLE seat base 950mm, chassis, semi-perimeter high-strength chrome-molybdenum steel, KYB front suspension with closed cartridges, front wheel, SELLE 21-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro Medium tire, rear wheel, SELLE 18-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro Medium tire, KYB rear shock absorber, GALFER front brake disc, BREMBO brake system, front disc 260mm and 220mm at rear.